Ever wondered how money zips across borders, landing in accounts continents away? It feels almost magical, doesn't it? But behind that seamless transfer lies a sophisticated network, a silent language spoken by banks worldwide. Think about it. You're sending money from Australia to a friend studying in Canada, or perhaps a business in Nigeria is paying a supplier in Germany. How do these financial institutions, separated by vast distances and operating under different regulations, communicate and ensure your funds arrive safely and accurately? That's where SWIFT comes in. It's not a bank itself, nor does it hold any money. Instead, the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication acts like a secure global messaging system. Imagine it as a highly encrypted and standardized email system built specifically for banks. Instead of sending casual messages, banks use SWIFT to send payment instructions to each other. These instructions detail everything from the sender's and recipient's account information to the exact amount being transferred and the currency involved. Now, you might be asking, okay, that's SWIFT in general, but what about Westpac? As one of Australia's oldest and largest banks, deeply ingrained in the country's financial fabric, the question of its international capabilities naturally arises. In today's interconnected world, having the ability to facilitate cross-border payments is not just a convenience, it's a necessity for individuals, businesses, and the overall economy. So, does Westpac, a major player in the Australian financial landscape, utilize this crucial global network? The answer is a resounding yes. Westpac, like the vast majority of international banks, is a member of the SWIFT network. This membership allows Westpac to seamlessly send and receive international payments, connecting its customers to virtually any bank across the globe that is also part of the SWIFT system. When you initiate an international transfer through Westpac, the bank uses the SWIFT network to send a secure message containing all the necessary details to the recipient bank. This message includes Westpac's unique SWIFT code, also known as a BIC, Bank Identifier Code. This code acts like an address, specifically identifying Westpac within the vast SWIFT network. Similarly, when you receive money from overseas into your Westpac account, the sending bank uses Westpac's SWIFT code to direct the funds correctly. This reliance on SWIFT ensures a standardized and secure method for international money transfers. It provides a common framework that banks worldwide understand, minimizing errors and delays. While other payment methods and technologies are constantly evolving, SWIFT remains a cornerstone of international finance, facilitating trillions of dollars in transactions every day. For Westpac customers, this means access to a reliable and established system for sending and receiving funds across borders. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.